Tab number 5 is to define other equipments. Here, for instance, we can choose the fuel that we want to use, and then we can choose which equipment we want to add to the system. For instance, here we are going to use cooking, and we do not assign it to any zone or space, and we call it cooking. The number of the units, the power that is required, and the model and the year are not mandatory, the brand as well, and you must define the fuel that you are using for this equipment. For the schedules, the first schedule is the load that is happening. Here we can use one of these predefined schedules. We choose equipment on off 8 hours, and the combination of these two schedules will appear in the calculations. So we choose equipment low 8 hours as the next schedule, and we make sure that we save this equipment. Now we have the cooling with natural gas here. Cooking, sorry, with natural gas here. Another equipment that we want to add here is domestic hot water. For domestic hot water also we use a boiler, and here we call it hot water, number of the units, the power, and we can choose the schedule here. The fuel must be defined, and we make sure that we save the equipment. We have cooking and hot water. Now if we go to the facility tab, we can check what we added. In the other equipments we have cooking and we have hot water.